Oregon is no doubt one of the most prestigious chainsaw brands up till now. The corded electric chainsaw Cs1500 comes with some notorious qualities that make it a perfect choice for backyard cleaning and chopping firewood. Be it the ergonomics, power, and performance, ease of use or self-sharpening ability, this 18-inch chainsaw does it all with absolute durability. Oregon, being a reliable brand, also offers a warranty on Cs1500, thus making sure that homeowners can enjoy peace of mind while cutting different wood materials with it. The Oregon chainsaw review today includes some of the aspects that make it a standout among other brands. Plus, I'll also see what it's capable of with first-hand experience. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present Oregon Cs1500 Electric Chainsaw Review. Let's get started. Major technical features Oregon Cs1500 offers. Some of the technical features Oregon corded chainsaw offers go as under. 15 Ampere powerful motor. The powerful 15 Ampere motor allows the tool to produce exceptional cutting results. It can improve the torque and RPM of the tool, thus allowing you to cut and chop firewood material without any hassle. On top of that, the motor doesn't cause any overheating issues. Once plugged in, you can enjoy working for a long time without taking any pause. Bar and chain mechanics. Secondly, the 18-inch guide bar, made up of steel alloy, ensures durability and ruggedness. Meanwhile, it's long enough to penetrate thick wood logs without any hassle. Talking of the chain, Oregon uses its standard chain model in the tool, which has spiky teeth and is extremely sharp as well. Considering these two peripherals, the cutting power multiples by 10 when you work with Cs1500 in your hands. Self-Sharpening Feature. This is where things get interesting. The chainsaw gets sharpened in round about 3 seconds, thanks to its automatic self-sharpening feature. A red lever is present just above the chain tensioning knob of the tool. Pull it while pressing the trigger and the chain will get sharpened conveniently. The manufacturer uses a small gritstone inside the saw. While you pull the lever, it gets in contact with the chain and makes it sharpened accordingly. Isn't it amazing? PowerSharp technology used by Oregon is really one of the most advanced features I've noticed in a corded chainsaw up till now. Automatic oiling system. Up next, we have the automatic oiler included, as the brand offers a Lubritech oiling interface. Right after you fill the oil window with standard Oregon bar and chain oil, the tool will start lubricating the chain to avoid friction. This way it will remain functional and resist overheating at the same time. Low noise operation. Last but not the least, the low noise operation is quite interesting. It will keep your neighbors away from any disturbance as you'll move on with finishing different cutting tasks. Ergonomic Design. Makes handling way more easily than expected. Even though the tool's a bit weighty, ergonomic handle design with proper padding allows you to keep up with a wood cutting task for a long time without overburdening your hands. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.